Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Today. Today in this video, I will tell you 10 amazing ways to use banana peels. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest update. The most common thing to do with banana peels is to throw them in a trash. However, there are various miraculous uses for this frequently overlooked product. The peels can be used in your kitchen as a cleaning product or in your beauty routine. Here we collected the most practical uses of banana peels that will definitely change how you feel about this fruit. Number 1. They help reduce acne. Banana peels contain vitamin C and vitamin E, and they also contain potassium, zinc, iron and manganese. These nutrients can calm inflamed skin and reduce acne outbreaks. Furthermore, banana peels contain lutein and carotenoids, which are fat-soluble compounds that help fight inflammation and acne breakouts. Rub the banana peel over your skin and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse your skin, repeat twice daily. Number 2. They help reduce wrinkles. Facial wrinkles occur when the skin loses its elasticity and it loses its firmness. The antioxidants and vitamin C in bananas can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Rub the banana peel over your skin and leave for 30 minutes or overnight. Wash your face and moisturize. Repeat 3 times a week. Number 3. They can polish your silver. When your silver begins to lose its luster, it begins to tarnish. Try using a banana peel. The inside of banana peel contains substances such as potassium that help clean metal objects. Take the banana peels and place them in a blender. Add half a cup of water to the mix. Mix until it becomes a paste. Rub your silver with the paste for a few minutes. Number 4. They help remove splinters. A banana peel is rich in enzymes, and these enzymes in the banana skin have a pulling action that will draw the foreign subject to the surface of the skin, which will make it much easier to grab the splinter or silver or glass with a pair of tweezers. Apply a ripe banana peel to the affected area of the skin. Let it sit on the skin for 15 minutes. Remove it gently without rubbing it on the skin. Then remove the splinter. Number 5. Easy composting. Adding a banana peel to your composite pile will help introduce more calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphates, potassium and sodium, all of which are vital to the healthy growth of your plant. Cut the banana peel into smaller pieces. Bury the banana skin under the plant you want to fertilize, ideally next to the roots. Water the plant right away to let the soil sit on top of it. Number 6. Whiten your teeth. Ripe banana peels are very rich in potassium that can help reduce yellow stain that appear as a result of the consumption of certain beverages such as coffee and tea, and certain foods such as blueberries and raspberries. Brush your teeth and rinse your teeth well. Take the inside of the banana peel and rub it on your teeth for 2 minutes. Rinse your teeth again and repeat daily. Number 7. They help reduce the appearance of scars. Banana peels have the ability to drastically reduce the skin irritation such as swelling, redness and scarring. They also contain esterified fatty acids, which have actually been isolated and incorporated into various lotions that diminish the visibility of scars. Take the banana peel and apply it to the affected area. Leave for 1 hour or overnight. Repeat daily. Number 8. They help treat migraines and headache. If you are looking for a natural way to treat your migraine, look no further than your fruit basket. A banana peel across the forehead and across the back of your neck can help relieve headache. This is due to the potassium in the peel. Put the banana peel in the freezer for an hour. Apply 1 line of peel to your forehead and 1 to the back of your neck. Leave it on until it becomes warm. Repeat if you still have headache with additional cold peels. Number 9. Meat tenderizer. To keep your steak moist and tender, add some ripe banana skin to the roasting pan. This way you will ensure that your roast stays juicy while it's not in the oven and that it stays full of flavor. The banana peel works as a blanket for your meat. It keeps it cooking while also keeping the moisture from vaporizing. Number 10. They help relieve itchy skin. Banana peels are a great home remedy for itchy skin. Banana peels contain histamine lowering nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin C and vitamin E. Use a banana peel to relieve itching from poison ivy or mosquito bites. Apply the banana skin to the affected area. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove and repeat to additional affected areas. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest update. Thanks for watching.